Some briefing about the post-tension slab system, which is PT slab in high-rise buildings. This is a post-tension slab. It is a time-saving and cost-saving. It saves too much concrete and it saves too much steel and it eliminates so many beams. This is a section of slab which we have the tendon. This is a tendon which is look like is up and down in the slab, and it is stressed from the sides. So after when we will do the stressing, the low point is going up in the slab and high point going down. It induces the stresses inside the concrete. And this is the bending moment diagram of the slab, look like this. And when we do the stressing, the stresses will induce opposite to the bending moment. So it just equalizes the bending moment with the stresses which we have induced through the post-tension system. So the material used is the post-tension stand. It is a high tensile strength, 1860 Newton per mm square is the tensile strength. And this strands, we are cutting the strands as per the drawings, whatever the length required, how many strands required in one tendon. On the formwork, we will do the marking for the anchors. This is the marking on the anchors, and this is the side shutter. We will fix the anchor in the side shutter. To fix the anchor in the side shutter, we will do the drill hole in the side shutter, and then we will cut some area with the jigsaw machine to fix the anchors on the slab edge. So this is the position when we will fix the anchors in the slab. This is the assembly for the post-tension anchor. This is the anchor, and there is this pocket former, which you can see here. And then we will keep fixing all the anchors with the pocket former or the slab edge all around as per the drawings. After the pocket former fixed, we will place a GI duct near to the anchor, but we will not fix into the anchor. We will place anti-reinforcement steel ring. This is the anti-bursting steel reinforcement ring. We will fix it up, and then we will insert the duct into the anchor, and then we will seal the anchor with the tape. Now this is the anchor assembly is done. Now the ducts, we will connect the duct with one duct, GI duct, to the other duct, and we will seal it with a tape. After this assembly is done, we will insert the post-tension stand which we have cut it before as per the lengths. We'll insert from one side until it go to the other side. After this strand pushing is finished, we will start the profiling. We have the low profile, we have the middle profile, we have the high profiles. It's like low point and the high points in the slab. This is the intermediate point. We are fixing with the chair, and then chair are fixed with the stapler gun on the slab. This is the other side of the anchor. This is called the dead end. It looks like flowers, onions, and it is staggered because it's coming inside the concrete. And when we will stress the strands from other anchor side, live end side, this will not slip. This will be catched by the concrete. And this assembly is called the pan box. And this pan box also is an anchoring assembly. There's an anchor also you can see where we don't have the provision for the anchor fixing side shutter. We will use the pan box. And this is the full assembly for the anchor. You can see here the grout pipe also fixed with the anchor, and there's a grout pipe fixed with the dead end. This grout pipe will be used for the grouting of the tendons. Now this slab is ready. You can see the X direction all tendons are fixed, and the Y direction all tendons are fixed. The top steel is fixed, extra steel is fixed, and now we are ready to start concrete casting for the post-tension slab. Now the concrete is going on for the post-tension slab. We will do the concrete, and this is the advantage of post-tension slab. That next day we will remove the side shutter like this. We have removed the side shutter. We have cleaned the pocket former, and we will place a stressing block. You can see here this is a stressing block. It has 3 holes because there are 2 stands in this tendon. Sometimes there is a 3 stand, sometimes there is a 5 stand. So this is a stressing block same with a 5 stand, and this stand is fixed with the stressing block with wedges. The property of wedges is when we will stress the stand will not go again inside the slab. It will be stressed fully. Now we are doing the stressing. The stressing is in 2 stages. First is the initial stressing, which we are doing normally after 24 hours, and this is the final stressing, which we are doing normally after 3 days. And when the final stressing is done, this is the advantage of post-tension slab, that you can remove the shutter. The just complete shutter you can remove after we have done the final stressing, and the elongations are okay. Now this is the final stressing. The final stressing is normally 80%, 75 to 80% of the breaking load of the strands. After the final stressing finish, the elongation finish, we will cut the extra strand. Just we will keep 1-2 centimeter from the wedges. And this pocket former cavity we will fix with the mortar. This is the slab edge. Now you can see here what was the use of this pocket former. When we remove the pocket former, it gives us a pocket, and then after the finish the stressing, we have cut the strand, extra strand, and we have filled the pocket with the mortar. Now from the slab four side you will not see anything. Just you can see on the top of slab there are some grout vent pipes which we have fixed. Now we will use this grout vent pipe for the grouting of the tendon. This is a grouting machine. Will make the grout, and this grout what we will do, we'll push the grout from one grout pipe from one side, and the grout will come from the other side, and then this duct will be filled with the grout. Now this mixing of the grouting is going on. We have the grouting machine. You can see here we are doing put the grout from one side of the tendon into the grout vent pipe which we have fixed initially, and you can see here the grout is coming out from the other side of the tendon. When the grout is come out, it means the full tendon is filled with the grout. Now we have some quality check. We will check the temperature of the grout, and we will check the slump of the grout. We have flow cone. We'll check the slump of the grout. At the last, we will make some cubes for the grout. This is a grout cubes. We will make the grout cube, and then we will crush for 7 and 20 days just to get the compressive strength of the grout also. After grouting finish, we will cut the grout pipe, and this is the post tension slab system step by step which I told you. If you like this video,